So what is a faceless YouTube channel and why they are exploding? This is what we are going to discuss in this video. And by the way, on this channel I'm going to cover this topic in length in a series of videos, since I also have an experience. I have another channel also which is in a specific niche, that is a faceless YouTube channel, and I'm going to tell you that how you can create that if you are interested, if you don't want to show your face, and if you're a beginner. Generally people don't want to use their voice also, they don't want to show their face also. So faceless YouTube channels are a good solution to this problem. Now the point is that the faceless YouTube channel is a very broad term, and you would see a plethora of the types of faceless YouTube channels. For example, you can see this video which is here right now. You can see that how to become productive. So this guy is using the animations, hand-drawn animations, and by the way, he is not drawing it himself. He is using the AI to create these animations, and then we can watch this video, or you can go yourself. There is a possibility that he is using the AI voice also. So the faceless, by definition, the faceless YouTube channels are where you rather don't show your face, and even if you don't want to use your voice, so you can use the AI voice. By the way, the video that you're watching right now is also a faceless YouTube video because I'm not showing my face. However, the voice is my own, it's not an AI generated voice. But in case you have difficulty in speaking a particular language, or if you don't want to use your voice, or you think that your voice is not impressive enough, then you can use the AI voices also. I'm just going to show you a few examples of the faceless YouTube channels. For example, we search the explain in 5 minutes, and probably this is a faceless YouTube channel in which you can see that they are covering a history or the historical book, The Art of War by Sun Tzu, using the AI, rather stock footage and stock image. So this is one way of doing it. The other way that I have already shown, that you can use the hand-drawn animations. You can draw yourself also on your iPad, or you can use the AI also. And then there are other tools with the help of which you can use. For example, the Canva is one such tool which helps you to have a lot of elements which you can create the slides and then use it as a video. This is another channel, every type of intelligence explained in 5 minutes. Basically, he is a paint explainer, so he's using the hand drawn. So let me show you another niche, and that is the quiz niche. This is also a kind of a niche where the person who's creating the video is not using his own, not showing his own face, and he is using the slides by creating those slides on Canva or PowerPoint, and he is creating the true or false or MCQ type it. And by the way, if you're not familiar with this Bright Side channel, I highly recommend to go and watch this channel, because this is probably the most popular faceless YouTube channel, and you can see the number of subscribers here. It has 44.7 million subscribers. Basically, they create videos which are a little more polished. I think there is some team that is working behind them, but anyways, you can create the videos like this one. This is the good example. You can see this MCQ type quiz. Wait for the video, it might run, or maybe we can see this by muting the video sound so that we can talk. Now you can see that this channel has created one template where the question is on the top, the question number is towards the top left hand side. Here you will see a picture and the 3 options are towards the right. So he is basically using this format, and it's very easy to create. We will show you in subsequent videos that how you can create the quiz. So anyways, we can go in we will go in detail in the type of niches you can target in the faceless this YouTube channel. But now I would like to just wind up this video, which is an introductory video. It's not even the video number 1, that what kind of a tools you would use in these Faceless. So I'll just give you a broad idea in this video, and then we will go in depth in the subsequent videos. So first of all, that you need to find out a niche. So you need to do a research on YouTube. You need to find out the different Faceless niches, and then you need to identify that which niche is appeals you, or which kind of a niche video you can create easily. I would suggest that you don't select a niche for which the creation of a video takes time, because you will have to create many videos, probably a video a day at least, if not more than one a day, but at least a video a day you would require. So creating 7 videos in 7 days, so you would need to select a niche which is easy to create. We will discuss that. So once you've selected the niche, then is the using the ChatGPT, get the script for that niche. Okay, then for example, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a script for a particular video. Like here for a quiz, we have given this complete prompt, and then it has created this table, and with the help of this table we are going to create a scrambled word quiz. We will go into detail, but this was just to give you an idea that select a niche and then go to the ChatGPT, create a specific prompt, polish that prompt, get that prompt saved on somewhere maybe in your notepad, and then repeat that for subsequent quizzes. And then once this is ready, the next thing probably that you would require is, it would be either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. So depends with whom you are comfortable with. For example, I can show you these scrambled word quizzes. Here you can see that I have almost created 40 quizzes by creating this specific format table, which when I will insert it in another tool, which will be kind of an automation tool, you don't have to manually create these quizzes. So that is why they are not in a Word document or Google Docs. It is in a Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. So the third tool that you would require would be Google Sheets or Microsoft. And the last tool that you would be required would be Canva. So if you're not familiar with the Canva, I would highly suggest to watch few introductory videos on YouTube, or maybe visit a website. Canva is a website which provides an all-in-one solution. On the Canva, you can create thumbnails or images, you can create videos, you can create documents, you can create the sheets also. They have recently introduced this. The whiteboard option is available. You can create presentations, social media accounts, and then even the websites also. So but for us, we would only be interested in 2 things, the images, which means the YouTube thumbnail, and the video format, which of course we will use both vertical and landscape. Vertical for YouTube Shorts or TikToks or Reels, and horizontal for the YouTube video. So these 4-5 items are the applications that you would require. And by the way, Canva is both free and paid, but if you want to really use the automated feature of the Canva, and if you want to create quizzes fast, or the rather Faceless videos fast, you need to buy the paid version. I'm not selling it, but I'm just telling you. However, you can create it manually also. So we'll just end this video here, and do let me know whether you are interested in this series, because all the videos that I watch on the YouTube, they don't show what they are doing, and in the subsequent videos I will show you the quizzes that I have uploaded and how are they doing, meaning by that how much views they are getting. So we'll follow that channel also. We'll see that whether that channel is about to get monetized, hopefully in a month or maybe 1.5 months, and then we'll see that how much money we can create with these Faceless videos. So by hitting the like button, I would know that whether you are interested in this series or not. So do let me know. Thanks. And if you have any previous knowledge or if you have any query, do ask that in the comment section below. Just to wrap up, last few words, that these kinds of videos will not be very polished, because here I am going to show the actual way that how can you create these videos. So they would be lengthy, they would be boring, but I will assure you that you will get the information that would be useful in case you want to use YouTube automation or Faceless YouTube channels to make money online. Thanks for watching.